The Honeywell Decor wired door chime with glass and metal design features an aesthetically charming pattern that showcases a modern and elegant design. This chime can connect up to 3 doorbell push buttons and comes with 7 different chimes to choose from. The chimes are CD quality sound and have an adjustable volume. Simply select the desired chime tune with the tune selector button on the back of the chime. The easy installation allows you to mount this chime vertically or horizontally. The optional battery compartment allows this chime to function with the power of 4 C batteries. The Honeywell Decor wired door chime with glass and metal design comes with a 1-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.